Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So finally Nothing has started rolling out September patch even for Nothing Phone 1. Though the version remains same, which is Nothing OS 2.6, this update brings some new changes and some bug fixes. We'll talk about every change in this video. First of all, if you take a look at the software information, here you can see Nothing OS version is 2.6 and the build number is 1634. Going to the Android version, this comes with 1st September 2024 security patch and the update size was quite huge. Let me show you the change logs and the update size. So here you can see the update which brings some new features, bug fixes and improvements, and the update size was 681 MB. So if you guys haven't received the OT update, you can just go to the settings, tap on Nothing OS and you should see a pop-up of this new update. Most of the time we don't get to see OTA notification until we manually check. And guys, now before moving ahead, if you guys find our content useful to you, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. And now let's talk about the new features what Nothing have added. So if you see the first change which says swipe down incoming notification to enter pop-up view, and this feature is actually useful. By default it will be disabled, so you have to go to settings, system, go into pop-up view and you need to enable this which says expand notification, and it works with all the notifications whatever you receive on your device, and the animation is super smooth. I did not see any kind of jitters or that slight lagginess while using this feature, but it will only work if you get a notification and before the notification disappears you need to use the swipe gesture. You cannot use this feature from the notification panel. After that, they have enabled vibration for third-party application during calls. Previously, device doesn't use to vibrate if you are on a call and if you have any notifications. But now, they have added this feature which can be found here in the sounds, going to vibration, and here we have that feature which says vibrate during the call. So again, this will be disabled by default, you need to enable it manually. And at last, they have also added this option to add battery and pedometer on lock screen, and it also works with the Always On display. These things were already added on other Nothing phones. On Nothing Phone 1, you have to go to the lock screen widgets. From here, you can add these widgets. One is battery and the second one is pedometer. This is how it looks on Always On display and the lock screen. Without unlocking your device, you can keep a track on your step count along with 7 days average. And we also have this calendar here. Your other devices will also be shown here. In my case, I have Nothing Ear 2. So these were the new features what they have added. After that, talking about bug fixes and improvements, with the first one they say enhance NFC stability for more reliable connection. I personally never had any kind of issues with the NFC, but they have enhanced it more for better stability now. After that, they say they have improved the speed of Bluetooth tile in the quick setting tile toggle. And on Nothing Phone 1, I did notice slight improvements. Towards the left hand side, there was a video done before updating the device, but after this update, I can clearly see slight difference. The next fix is again clear to Bluetooth tile, which used to reflect wrong information if you are connected to any Bluetooth device. In our case, we haven't noticed any kind of such issues. With Nothing phones, I generally use Ear 2, and that reflects correct information only. After that, they have resolved some issues related to ringing volume which was low. I'm not sure here they are talking about the external speaker or the device speaker, because I did compare before and after and I did not notice any major change. Then they say they have resolved the issue of flashlight tile was missing in the quick setting tiles, which was already there. You can see the screenshot of the previous build. The flashlight tile was already there on the previous build also. And then they have resolved the problem causing cloned applications to auto rotate despite being disabled. This also I checked on the previous build. You can see I created few cloned applications. For me, after disabling auto rotation, the cloned applications work perfectly fine. This was not an issue on our unit. And at last, they say they have fixed an issue where the media widget couldn't play music when switching from guest to main user. And I did test out before and after update also. Even after update, the same issue still persists. You can see here, soon I switched from guest mode to the main user. Still I can't see music widget in action. Though the song is being played in the background, you can see here, but nothing works here on the music widget. So I don't know what Nothing have fixed. I just have to remove the widget and re-add, or else I have to restart the device to get this thing working. So guys, these were all the new features and changes what Nothing have done with Nothing Phone 1. You guys let me know, do you guys want a detailed review of this build? Accordingly, we'll plan a video on it. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.